everyone, my name's Mannion, here for Butt Livestock and Property, bringing you the market report for our monthly store sale, cattle store sale at Yass. Today, combined agents yarded 570 cattle, consisting of 40 cows and calves, 170 heifers and 330 steers. The best of our cows and calves made out to $1,000 for some heavy Hereford cows and calves. The best of our steers made $795. They were making anywhere from $2.10 out to, for the lighter weights, out to about $2.50. Our best of our heifers made $705. They were making anywhere from $165 out to $185. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?